How to fix Gmail messages blocked. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. So first of all, head to your Play Store and tap on the search bar. Now search for Gmail and tap on search icon. Now tap on update. Now wait for some time and head to your home screen. Now open up your Gmail application. Now your messages can be blocked due to less storage on your Gmail account. So open up your Gmail application and empty some of your mails. Tap on delete. Now at the top left corner, tap on the three lines and go to bin. Now tap on empty bin now. So I hope this should fix the issue. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or such a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.